Hello everyone, I am Krishna Ghute, data science student. I had developed a project with C++ backend and web technology frontend. Main task was to connect C++ to the web technology, and I had taken a different approach. Rather than using Crow or Dagno for the C++ backend connectivity, I had used another path which I developed with trying to develop this project. We use Flask for Python, uh, Crow for the C++ backend connectivity. But I had used this file like http lib.h, which had almost 12,000 lines, and here are multiple defined modules which we can use in our project of any C++ language. So I had also made this blueprint for development of uh, C++ projects, and this is my approach to develop the web. So this was my project. Previously also I had developed a simple uh, truck project using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. This was a basic project, but currently this was a advanced project because it is using multi-page concept and also C++ backend. So all the buttons are connected to each other for the connectivity. Here we can uh, use these three lines. This is menu button, and if we come on the full page, then it automatically change into this structure. And if you use also phone, then also we got that menu toggle button for the uses. So let me explain quickly how this project is working. So I had made 6 pages for this website for the different purposes. We can see here this is home, where the basic information of the dealer and all other things are given. Then this is gallery, which showing the images and the information of all the trucks. Then this is the next page of finance. There is next page of finance comparison. Truck dealer and buyer also want to calculate EMI of their truck. It show all the calculation of the EMI. The next page here is for the comparison between two trucks, and next page is for the contact, and last page is for the booking. Here we can see the flow of the project. Here are JSON files, here are HTML files, and here is C++ backend file, and in between there are two JavaScript files. So main learning of my from this project are we need JavaScript files to communicate between two languages. Like if I want to communicate between JavaScript and C++, then I have to use JSON for the mediator language. Then another learning was I had developed this uh, new approach to connect C++ backend to the web technology frontend, and then there are uh, what are the main outcomes. If we want to see what are the outcomes of the C++ language, then we can see here this Tata truck is showing means here we can see very few information, but as I press the detail page, then it is fetching more information from the C++ backend, which is here. Like here I had kept all the information of these trucks in the private and protected variables within a class vehicle. Here we can see it, and as I press on detail, it is fetching all that information. Then in the comparison page, yeah, let me explain some basic functionality of this gallery page. If I go on the gallery, from here I can categorize all the trucks. These are all the diesel trucks, and if I want to clear filter, just press clear filter. Okay, then here is a price bracket of this truck within the 40 lakh to 60 lakh, and likewise I can see other brands. Few and the availability of truck, like here limited or out of stock truck. Then this is only Mahindra truck also, which is out of stock. And here I can clear the filter. So if I go on comparison, here also use of C++ backend, because if I want to compare two trucks, then I had created a class which have all the information. Then this JavaScript have a functionality which function named compare compare tool, like it have word compare and uh, show comparison result. Then compare truck. Then it is fetching information from the C++ backend and then making comparison between two truck, like they're uh, different functions or variables of truck, like price, power, engine, fuel type, and then it is giving suggestion. Our recommendation Tata Prima is uh, better value to money, like it is a price to value ratio. Uh, and it also showing the price difference between two trucks. Then there is main comparison between mileage, because it is necessary, because if I run a truck for 5,000 kilometer, then zero point 0.5 liter difference can make 2,500 liters of petrol. So this is a comparison tool. And then if we also see the finance page, then for all these functionalities we are using uh, well we are using JavaScript specially, because here is no need to fetch truck information. It is totally based on most probably JavaScript. Then if we see this contact page, then there is basic information, like anybody can send message from here. Then there is the personal information of that truck dealership. Then there is the business hours, there is location, and at last anybody can book his truck from here. And now let me tell you what are the main learnings. First, this connectivity of JSON. Then second, this C++ backend connectivity using HTTP lib.h. And I had made the blueprints. I had made blueprints to see the uh, connectivity of the website. Like here we can see blueprint for the C++ project. Then first download VS Code, then integrate VS Code and your C++ compiler, and then make this project. And this is a short README file which is telling about the all information of that running website. So this is all. And also I had developed a game using C++ backend which is running uh, on the website. I will show it next. And thank you.